Hello guys, welcome to Always a Learner. We believe in good, better, best. Never let it rest until your good is better and your better is best. So guys, in this video, we are going to recap the Apple event, High Speed. Everything announced in the Apple event will be explained in this video. So watch the full video. So let's get started. So guys, the most awaited Apple event held virtually in this pandemic situation, where Apple took the wraps off from all new HomePod mini, iPhone 12 lineup and brought back its MagSafe charging brand for the new iPhones. The first thing announced on Apple event was HomePod mini, the company's latest Siri-powered smart speaker. The HomePod mini has a new circular bowl-shaped design wrapped in mesh fabric. On the top is a touch surface for touch controls, and the smart speaker delivers a 360-degree array. The HomePod mini is powered with the S5 chipset, the same chip as in Apple Watch SE and Apple Watch Series 5. HomePod mini also supports AirPlay 2 multi-room capabilities, so that you can pair multiple speakers, and it also works with CarPlay. The speaker automatically integrates with the Home app and analyzes the music as well as optimizes loudness, dynamic range and many more. The Siri is also improved in functionality, as it can recognize each and every person's voice living in your family, because you are not the only one living in your house. You can say "Hey Siri" to directly send a message as well as a reply. Use Siri to play music, dim the lights and lock your house, and many more things. Now, privacy is the most important thing, so Siri also maintains this. Siri won't let anything happen in the home to anyone till you say. Even Apple won't record the conversation you had with HomePod mini to keep your privacy and security to you only. Talking about the price, the HomePod mini is priced at $99 and 9,900 rupees in India. The product will start shipping from November 16. So this is all about Apple HomePod mini, an incredible product. Now let's talk about the main product for what this event was held, the iPhone 12 lineup. Apple introduced 4 new models to the world: iPhone 12, iPhone 12 mini, iPhone 12 Pro and iPhone 12 Pro Max. Now let's first talk about Apple iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 mini. iPhone 12 features a 6.1 inches display and iPhone 12 mini features a 5.4 inches display and a whole new design with flat edges. iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 mini is 11% thinner and feature OLED display instead of LCD panel used in iPhone 11 last year. Both the phone features 5G connectivity and uses a new antenna system, improved 5G performance. The iOS 14 is optimized to take advantage of 5G speed while maintaining power efficiency. The iPhone 12 also includes a smart data mode that switches between 4G and 5G accordingly, which means the data speed will shift from 4G to 5G and vice versa intelligently. The iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 mini features an incredible design. It uses a ceramic shield on the front glass, which improves the durability of the device, and the glass is claimed to be tougher than any smartphone glass to date, with 4 times better drop performance, which means the iPhone can withstand multiple drops without any scratch. The phone features an aerospace grade aluminum edges and Super Retina XDR display with high resolution. Now let's talk about the performance. The iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 mini features the A14 Bionic chipset introduced last month along with iPad 8th generation and iPad Air. The A14 Bionic chipset is the first chipset ever to build on 5nm process with 6-core CPU architecture and 11.8 billion transistors on it. The chipset can perform 11 trillion operations per second and 2 times faster machine learning performance, and this is all because of the 16-core neural engine. The performance is double of A12 Bionic's 5 trillion operations per second and 83% better than A13 Bionic's 6 trillion operations per second. Now, Apple's camera app relies heavily on neural engine along with the image signal processor sensor. The A14 chipset is the fastest chipset ever in a smartphone. Let's talk about the camera. The iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 mini features a dual rear camera setup with a 12 megapixel wide-angle lens and a 12 megapixel ultra-wide sensor. Both the wide-angle and ultra-wide-angle sensor now have night mode, which is better than ever at capturing incredible low-light shots. The new wide-angle camera brings 27% more light, so either you capture by day or by moonlight, you will get a level of details and color that wasn't possible before. The cameras also feature Deep Fusion, which analyzes multiple exposure to maximize the details. The Smart SDR3 balances the elements in a shot. Beyond faces, Smart SDR3 uses machine learning to recognize scenes, then adjust sharpness, color, and white balance where needed. The new portrait mode is even better at artfully blurring the background and comes with 6 creative lighting effects to choose from, like high key mono, natural light, and studio light. Videography is the place where Apple never loses, and videography now also supports low light mode. You can capture incredible low light shots and make the video. Then there's a night mode in time lapse. You can record 4K HDR videos as well as edit them in the inbuilt Photos app. This is for the first time ever happened in a smartphone that you can record the videos with Dolby Vision in 4K HDR resolution. Moving to the selfie camera, both the iPhones features a 12 megapixel true depth selfie camera which also supports night mode, Smart SDR3, Deep Fusion and Dolby Vision video recording. Apple amazed us with all the greatest features in iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 mini. Now let's talk about the iPhone 12 Pro and iPhone 12 Pro Max. The Pro models feature 6.1 inches and 6.7 inches screen sizes with less bezels. The same ceramic shield high-resolution Super Retina XDR OLED panel as of iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 mini is used. On the edges, both the Pro models feature surgical stainless steel, unlike the aluminium finish on non-Pro models. There isn't any difference between the performance as all 4 models feature the same A14 Bionic chipset, about which we already explained everything. The only difference is on the Pro models there is a triple rear camera setup with 12 megapixel wide angle, 12 megapixel ultra wide angle and 12 megapixel telephoto lens to take incredible images and videos with support of Smart SDR3, 4K HDR with Dolby Vision and many more. The phone also features a whole new LiDAR sensor which was introduced in iPad Pro last year. LiDAR stands for light detection and ranging. iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Pro Max uses a LiDAR sensor to measure how long it takes light to reflect back from objects, so it can create a depth map of whatever space you are in. Because it's ultra fast and accurate, AR apps can now transform a room into a realistic rainforest and show you how a new sneaker will fit. The wide-angle camera in the rear features 7-element wide lens for S2S sharpness, and the new optical image stabilization makes 5000 adjustments per second to get you a more stabilized video. LiDAR delivers up to 6 times faster autofocus in low light, which makes the photos and videos much more better. Apple also introduced Pro RAW for an absurd amount of creative control, which will give you standard RAW information so you can get a head start on editing with noise reduction and multi-frame exposure adjustment. Now let's talk about the color options. The iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 mini are available in 5 fresh finishes: silver, product red, yellow, space grey and navy blue, and the Pro models are available in gold, Pacific blue, silver and graphite color options. All the iPhones have an official IP68 rating for water and dust resistance of up to 6 meters for 30 minutes. The iPhone 12 mini is priced at $699 in US and 69,990 rupees in India, whereas iPhone 12 is priced at $799 in US and is priced at 79,900 rupees in India. Both the iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 mini comes in 3 storage options: 64 gigs, 128 gigs and 256 gigs. Talking about the Pro models, iPhone 12 Pro is priced at $999 in US and 1,19,900 rupees in India, and iPhone 12 Pro Max is priced at $1,099 US and 1,29,900 rupees in India. Both models comes in 128 gigs, 256 gigs and 512 gig storage option. iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Pro will be available to pre-order from October 23 and will ship by October 30. However, iPhone 12 mini and iPhone 12 Pro Max pre-orders will begin on November 6 and will go on sale officially by 13 November. Apple always try to reduce carbon emission from environment. So, to reduce carbon emission, Apple removed earports and charging brick from the box. Now, you only get iPhone and USB-C to Lightning cable in the box, which is accessible with any charger available in the market. Apple also reintroduced the MagSafe accessories like new cases, wallets, and charger designed for iPhone 12 lineup. Built-in magnets allow for effortless attachment and faster wireless charging. Prices starts from 4,500 rupees in India. For details, we mentioned a link in description. You can check out the link for all the MagSafe accessories prices. So guys, this is all about the Apple event where Apple announced HomePod mini, MagSafe accessories and most awaited iPhone 12 lineup. Each and every product is incredible. If you want a suggestion, iPhone 12 mini or iPhone 12 would be a best choice to buy in a new lineup. Now, as we all knew that Apple will discontinue previous models, so Apple discontinued iPhone 11 Pro models. Apple continued to ship iPhone SE 2020, iPhone XR and iPhone 11. The prices for these phones are also dropped. The new price for iPhone 11 is 54,900 rupees for the base variant, and iPhone XR is priced at 47,900 rupees and iPhone SE is priced at 39,900 rupees for the base variant. So guys, that's all for today. We hope you really enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit the like button and share this with your family and friends. Please subscribe our channel for more such videos and press the bell icon which won't let you miss any of the new video. Also, join us on social media platform. The links are in description. Please comment your views in the comment section which motivates us to improve. Your support is incredible. Thank you for watching. Never forget to smile.